Hello students, and welcome to lesson 4 of chapter 11. The last thing I want to show you in chapter 11 is how to control link states. We have basically one link on this whole entire page, and it links to our elixir.html page. So I'm going to show you how you can control link states. There are basically 3 link states: visited, unvisited, and hover. Okay, so we're gonna control those 3 states within this link right here. So I'm gonna go back to my CSS page, and I'm going to add the 3 states. So the first state is a:"link. All right, open curly, and I'm gonna change the color of the font to green. Okay. And to save a little time, I'll copy this, paste it here, and change the word link to visited. Okay? Visited link, and we're going to change the color to red. Okay? And then one more. We're going to change this one to hover, 3rd state. And we're going to change the color to blue. Okay? Now I'm going to save this, and you're going to see that the link should now change the state. Now remember, we've already, by default, visited links go purple. So since we've already clicked on this link, or I've already clicked on this link, it's purple. So the unvisited state is no longer going to take effect. So this should turn red because it's been visited. Okay, so when I save, refresh my browser, that should turn red. And there it is. Now when I hover over it, it should turn blue. Okay, you can see. All right, now just to show you the control we have, and I'll use hover, but you can change many different things in each one of these. I'm going to go to, I'm gonna make it a lot bigger. Font hyphen size, colon, and I'll say 150%, semicolon. So now when I'll control S, when I hover over it, it'll turn blue, and it did not get bigger. Let's go see why. What did I do wrong here? I didn't put a hyphen. Font hyphen size, control S, and then when I refresh again and hover over it, you can see that the font size gets a lot bigger. Now not only can I control that, I can control many things. I'll show you one more. How about font family? I'll use Papyrus, semicolon. Now I know Papyrus is small by default, so I'm going to make this one 210%. Just, whoops, 210. Okay, control S to save the changes, and then when I go back and refresh, when I hover over it, not only will it turn blue, but it'll change font. See? Elixir, 210%. All right, so that's how you control the font. Oh, one other thing. I only have one link on this page, but let's say at the bottom of the page here, I had a link that said go to directions page. Okay, but I didn't want it to inherit the style that I just gave this one. I only want this style within this Elixir's div. Okay, this whole entire Elixir's div. Well, that's possible too, and I'll show you how to accomplish that. In the front of the, and I'm going to go get right here is the name of the div. So I'm going to go get the name of the div, control C, and I'll scroll down to my link, and in front of it, I'll paste it, space. Control V, space, Control V, space. Now nothing's going to change because we only have one link on the page, but this only applies to the Elixir's div. So any other links I put on the page would not inherit this particular style. So Control S, and when I refresh, you're not going to see any change. However, you would if I added a link down here. It would not inherit this style. Okay? So that ends the instruction for chapter 11. The assignment this week, you will not have to create an entire website, only one web page on the dance website you did last week. And you're going to create a list and you're going to add span to the list, that's all. I didn't add any assignment for the DIV because we're going to be doing this a lot in the upcoming chapters, so you're going to have plenty of practice with DIV, so I didn't include that in your assignment for this week. Anyway, if you have any problems at all, send me an email. I'm here to help you if you need it, okay? Have a great week. Thank you.